There we go.
Oh.
Hello, I am here. Yeah, you should restart yours. I'm here with Finnick. Let's get started. We're going to survival games.
I have to restart mine all the way because I have to exit out of Minecraft in order to restart.
What's the server called?
Woodycraft.net. I'm surprised you don't know this. I've told you this like 70 times. Many times.
Okay. I am joining the server.
I am currently waiting to join the server.
Okay, you said compass, cookie, and a steak. I'm guessing you found that out by just clicking food.
I am Benson Blood 19, and basically, as you can see here, Footcraft, it's down. We're gonna have a big, giant discussion about this while we're gonna play some survival games. So, yeah, we're gonna discuss it while we're killing people. Just, I don't see any other way.
And dying. More like us dying, not killing people.
No.
Hey, let's turn off the chat, okay?
Oh yeah. How do you do that? I forgot how to do that. Go to
multiplayer
option.
settings. Do hidden, chat hidden. Just so we don't have to worry about like people like advertising language.
We meet up in when you spawn in. It's to the left.
Which one?
I see. Go to
SG13, SG3, SG3.
3? Oh crap! Go!
I'm in 3.
Oh no! Get out!
Okay, let's do commands only then, because I can't type leave.
Yeah. I was like, what? Settings, chat.
Leave? There, I left. Now what?
Flash.
Leave. Do commands only.
How do you do that?
Instead of hidden, there's command only.
Okay.
Okay, which one?
Hold on.
Sorry.
It's okay.
I'm not talking to you. Let's do SG13.
Oh, and in it. Hold on, wait. This thing
Wait,
is being
it's SG10. Yeah.
Why isn't this? If me, it's working.
Which one? Just pick one already.
Done. I'm in now. SG17.
SG17? Can't see. Crap, there we go. It says server's full. Oh crap, I just joined one on accident.
There's a torch in your hand, right?
Huh? What'd you say? Oh crap, it's reconnecting the call. Oh, yeah, let's wait for... Let me call him back. Gas pedal. Good, gas pedal. Hello. Okay,
Oh my god.
which one? Just pick one already.
Won't even let me in the damn thing. Oh my.
Now you believe me, it's not my fault, it's your computer's fault.
Mine, and then place the torch on the ground, and everyone will disappear.
Oh, nice. Let's do
Okay.
SG2 or SG5. SG2, okay?
Already in it.
You're in SG2? Yep, there you are. Hello. Of course, the call's crap now again.
I saw you, George. Hi, George. You like my new skin? Oh, yeah.
Where's mine? Peter. Hello, Peter. Hello, Peter. Peter. Hello, Peter.
What? I'm not PETA.
Your skin looks like it.
PETA does not have brown hair.
Uh-huh. Oh crap. Oh, there we go. Where are you? Ow, 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 I'm being hit. Ow. Oh, I see you. I see you. Let's run for it. To the middle.
We're gonna die.
6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Finish him.
Oh yeah, best middle chest ever.
I got a wooden sword, 5 potatoes and 2 eggs. Where are you?
Stay there.
Why would I think everyone just lagged out.
Oh, I think everyone just stopped on my screen.
Mine too. Oh, oh crap.
Go, 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 go. Come on, Jensen, let's just run. Leg it, follow me. Hey, go slay that guy. See that guy right there?
I only have a wooden sword.
Oh, he's got nothing. Give me the wooden sword, then I'll kill him.
I got him. Follow me. Just for backup. Are you following me? Are you? Are you following me?
Yeah, I'm following you. Alright, just stop chasing him. It's a waste of time.
Let's go check the rest of the chests. Someone might have forgot something.
Hey, there's someone next to you. You might want to hit him. He's got armor too.
That was him. Here, you need
food?
some food? Yeah, here. Take the melons. It's on the floor.
No, I got food. I have 6 pork chops. You can have the melons.
Okay, I got melons, potatoes, and 2 eggs.
Why is this? Okay. I just found something interesting.
Someone's in there.
Oh, we're gonna have to kill him.
My wooden sword. Oh, chain. Oh, that guy's armoring up. Run. We don't have chain. We can't fight him. Don't follow that guy. There's a guy on the.
It's okay. I'm gonna watch them kill each other. No big deal. I'm gonna do some freaking camera angles right here. Check this. Done. No. I'm recording. Okay. You want to be a dick? That's okay.
Where'd you go? Are you chasing after that guy?
And I'm lacking balls right now.
Come towards me. I'll protect you. Okay.
Ew. How did you leave?
Oh,
he's
there they come. They're double teaming. Run. Follow me.
I can't. Oh my god, so much lag. It's unreal.
Follow me. Come on. Behind you.
Run. I'm legging it. Peace out, my dude.
I'm fighting the people off for you. Keep going. I'm behind you. Oh, guy on the left. Keep going. Go straight. Oh crap, I'm in a hole. Take my stuff.
Oh.
Take my stuff. I'm in a hole. I can't get out.
Find stuff. You keep your stuff. Save for the deathmatch. You're gonna die. Like, you're gonna be the first person
Take
to die.
my wooden sword.
Oh, I just got slain right when I looked through. I'm in a hole anyways.
Okay. It's only me now? Do you see me?
Yeah.
Why is there a hole here?
I don't know. The same why there's a hole on the volcano a couple of weeks ago.
Die. 1 heart remaining. Crap. Dude was cheating. He had the upper advantage. Okay, SG leave. Okay, which map?
I'm waiting. None of them open right now. Either SG1 or SG13. It's gonna be SG1. Oh,
It's all
I'll go to
black.
SG13.
Where's SG13?
Oh,
I'm in.
Oh, volcano.
Where are you? PETA.
I'm not PETA! He does not have brown hair, he has blonde hair. Idiot.
Emo PETA.
Stop. I like this skin. Like the guy from, I look like someone from the Hunger Games.
Hey, did you make me a skin like that? Just add glasses.
I want to freak your hair. Brownish.
Excuse me.
I'm gonna change glasses.
I'm only dying over here.
It's gonna be the same exact skin because I know I should darken. I'm a dark. Like I have like a Mexican shade skin. You have like a white
Racist. Oh crap. 14, 13, 12.
Oh.
We're gonna run it? Where are you?
Yeah, I'm jumping.
I see.
Look straight.
Ready?
So,
run for it.
We
meet up in the middle.
want something from chest. Oh, someone got the damn sword. I gotta have.
Crap.
I got a fishing rod though.
Crap. I'm in lava.
Run, my boy. Run. Follow me. Where are you? Are you dead? Yeah, huh?
Let's watch you. Where are you?
Oh, that's lava.
I don't see you. Where are you?
No. Go to the thing. See the little book. Right click it and then hit my name. There's gonna be a whole bunch of pages and look for Mr. Galactica.
No, I don't. I only see one page.
Best chest ever. I'm gonna go kill that guy.
It's page 1 of 1.
Yeah, 1 of 1.
Oh, it's.
Oh no.
Yeah, it's compass. I'll guide you.
Anybody near me?
You're safe.
I wonder if anybody did this yet.
Oh, right. Keep running. Some.
Come on, buddy. Come on, I want your stuff. Whatever you got in there. Come on. Come on.
Keep going. I'm watching you.
This guy's got a wooden sword.
And a fishing rod. Careful.
I got it. Yeah, no big deal. I need food, so maybe I should kill him for the food.
Oh, another person.
Kill him after. Oh, he's trying to kill him. Here. Hey. You're gonna die. You're gonna die.
I'm pretty sure he has full hearts.
I hit him. Can you stop running away and die already?
It's pretty dramatic. I'm in F1, so it's like a movie. And our young Jedi has followed Darth Vader. What will Luke do? Oh, he cut off Luke's hand. Ouch.
Much lag, it's unreal.
Dude, you're gonna die. Get out there.
That's bullcrap! No! I had better armor.
No, he was hitting with the fishing rod, which was taking down your hearts.
Wasn't it? I had full hearts when I went into battle.
And that is when our young
dude.
Jedi has died. Luke has won. Lost.
Or next to dip together. We don't need to. I'm hungry.
You're always hungry.
Okay, go to SG
19.
Craving a cheeseburger right now. Jesus.
Me too.
Now?
Where are you?
19.
Huh? I don't see you.
You might want to leave. I pressed the wrong one. One second. I don't get that. So elaborating on the server, we're gonna reset it because you know everything died from his computer basically.
Did you die? You die?
Go to SG.
Did you die?
Guys, go to SG8.
Oh, why?
That's it.
Fine, I'm going.
So anyways, we're basically kind of sad, I guess, because I'm sad. I don't know about him. He probably doesn't care, but I'm sad because but we're having connection problems with me connecting the server, so we're gonna reset it, and then he has problems because all of his videos got reset. So kind of sucks, but you know,
I'm a spectator on number 8 because it's full.
Oh, dude, SG, please. Just, it wasn't 8, it was 13.
You just said 8. Which one?
Oh.
Hello?
Wait.
Hello? Nick, are you there?
What? Here, hello?
Hello?
Oh.
SG8.
No.
Nope, never mind. You there?
Oh, there's one right. 21.
21?
Just wait for it to go back.
Ah, good God.
It'll go back online, and then I'll restart the one.
I'm on.
Yeah. Oh my God, it filled up like that. You get in?
Of course I'm in. Are you in?
Dude, it made me go back to the spawn. I don't like this. Woody Craft needs to fix this. It's pissing me off.
It's only your
Alright,
computer.
Server's full. SG leave. Go to SG5. Back. 5.
1 second. Maybe back there.
Dun,
SG what?
dun, 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 dun. Ush, ush, ush. Yeah, man. So we back.
SG5's full.
Oh my. Oh God. Okay. Don't join anything. Just wait for me to get there.
They're all full.
We're awful.
Yeah, burr. Nope, SG2. Are you there?
What?
SG2.
Oh, I think I might have got the last slot.
An SG2?
Yeah, I got the. Oh, did you leave?
What? I'm an SG2.
You left. The Jensen Blood 19 left.
No.
Where are you?
I'm an SG2. Oh crap, put me back at spawn.
Yeah. Where are you in the thing? Oh my.
The heck? It like kicked me out. Go to SG something. SG15. It's reconnecting again. Sorry guys, my throat hurts. I'm sick.
Hey. Go to SG15.
I am
Are
in
you there?
now. Yeah, I'm in.
15?
Yeah.
Get in. Everybody stop and hogging.
Oh, what just happened? Oh crap, we're getting attacked. Where are you? Oh, I see you.
You're.
I'm punching at you.
Oh, I see you. How you doing?
Good.
Middle. What's in the
4,
middle?
3, 2, 1. Go.
I got a sword. Dropped it.
I'm gonna
Are you on
fight.
top? How do you get on top up here? Someone's hitting me. You're gonna die, my friend. Oh my god, I died!
Can I have one of the swords?
Oh, I died!
Oh! Oh, crap. I thought that was you. The skin looks the same. I died too. I thought it was you.
That's SG. That's why I don't like that map. I like Volcano. Volcano's fun.
Go to
Oh my.
SG
Hold on,
what?
If I can.
SG 17 maybe? Oh, no. SG 23. SG 23.
I'm in.
They're the only ones here.
Oh, we got more people.
Sorry, I keep clearing my throat and my nose. I just don't feel good.
That's not pleasant when you do that.
I know, it's not pleasant for me either. Trust me. Merry Christmas.
Here, I'm gonna make a whole bunch of sounds. I'm sorry, guys. You guys are probably not. Oh my god! You! Okay.
Did you leave?
I made the window smaller. I found out. Oh my god, this is so much better. I don't know how I did this, but now I can actually. Oh my god, I just made recording so much easier. It's not even funny.
Why? What did you do?
I got, you know how like yours, how you can have the top where the X's and everything?
Yeah.
It's fine somehow. I pressed a button. I don't remember what I pressed.
Minimize.
Yeah, it's just like yours.
Okay, where are you?
Hey, look to your right. Hey, let's just run this way.
Which way?
Run back. That way.
No, let's get at least one chest, okay? You get the chest on the right, I'll get the chest on the left.
Or
Okay?
then run it.
Okay?
Okay. Damn it, you got it.
Got it?
They got it. Oh god, I just no!
You dead?
How do you go back again? What was it?
Oh, within 90 seconds?
What is it?
You have to be a donator.
Oh, you're a donator?
No. I was reading it to you.
Oh, fuck.
Look at me, watch me, protect me.
Gotcha.
Compass, then my name.
There's 3 people on the left of you, so you better run fast.
Oh crap, I see them.
Nice sword, by the way.
Thank you. And hands?
There's gonna be some chests right here. Wait, there's gonna be one on your left. Keep going, keep going, keep going, keep going around. There's another one right here. You see it. It's on the ground.
This helmet.
What else?
Anyone by me?
No, but there's like another person. Hey, there's one. Yeah, there's one right there. What's in there?
Like, some more armor and some fish.
Another one by the tree in the ground. Do you see it?
Yeah. Is anyone by me?
No. No.
I'm getting like a whole bunch of stuff.
No, and there's a couple more stuff here. There's more in the big tree.
Oh crap, there's people. I got 2 golden swords.
But I knew it. I'm gonna dip from now on. I'm not gonna follow you. You can get a chest. I'm gonna dip because I'm not good at getting a chest. I don't know how to shift click fast enough.
It's because your computer's kind of laggy.
Yeah, so it does. Hey, wait, you missed the chest. Go to your left. Left. No. Go to your right. Right. Turn around. Go to your right. Straight ahead.
Ready?
See it? No. Okay. All right. Go. No. Stop. Go to your left. Left. Okay, go straight. Go all the way straight. Then make a right on the tree. Make a right, and it's gonna be indented. And see it right there.
What?
There, straight ahead. It's in the tree. It's in the darkness part.
Oh. Right here? Stone
There's
sword,
stuff in
some chain boots, and some iron boots, and a stone sword.
Well, let's go find some more stuff. I'll guide you through. There's nothing on top. I want to let you know that. Oh, there is stuff. Hold on. I've never been on top of here. I'm gonna check if there's anything on here.
There's a chest.
Where?
Stone sword and some raw beef. Okay, I have enough food to last me a while now. Let's go towards my inventory. Tell me if anyone's near me. No?
Where are you?
Bottom of the tree.
I'm gonna teleport back to you. Okay, I'm by. Alright, keep going straight, keep going straight.
I'm gonna save my sprinting.
Hey, there's a chest on the left. Go to the left. It's by the trees. Go to right. Go to the right. Straight.
Right there. I see. Bow, an arrow, and bread. I have one arrow.
You only got one shot tonight and missed a chance to blow.
I got 3 eggs too, so that might help. For food. Ooh, another chest.
I didn't see that one first.
Ooh, gold plating. That's better than my leather.
But he wrote
I got like a whole nother set of armor.
I wish I was there. I would have got like everything. Go to your right. There's gonna be stuff to your right.
On the tree?
I think. Yeah, no, yeah, there's one right here.
Right here doesn't help me. Can't see you.
But walk past it. Go back. Back.
Oh, I
Right
see
there.
it. Ooh, another gold plate and a wooden sword and a stick.
Do you have any diamonds?
There's a chest. No, I wish. Another chest. There's no one by me at all. Empty chest.
Hey, there's one up top of this hill to your right.
Where? That big tree?
No. Make a left.
Right.
Swing a left.
Oh, I see it. Anyone by me?
One by you.
Ooh, a leather cap. I have like over another set of armor.
Alright, go to the ship. Do you see the ship?
I'm pretty sure there's someone on it.
Oh, there is someone on it. Hold on, let me go see what kind of armor he has. Oh, dude, you can take him easily.
What
He's
does
only
he have?
got. Oh wait, no, he's got no. Stay away from him. He's got an iron sword.
I got gold.
But I think he saw you.
You did? Did he?
Oh, he's looking for you though. He knows that you're there.
Chest. You ready to get that? Oh no,
There.
holy crap. I got
What?
5 arrows now, like 4 extra chest plates, an extra cap, an extra pants, like 4 swords.
Next time I'm just gonna dip. Oh, this guy sucks at parkour. He's not gonna make this one if he couldn't even make the first one. Or maybe he will.
Ooh, another thing. Holy crap. Holy crap. Is a chain better than gold?
Of course.
Okay. You should watch this video.
Me?
Yes. I mean, holy
Watching-
crap, I'm loaded.
Why are you under a tree?
I'm hiding.
Get out.
Is there anyone near me?
No, there's no one here. The closest person is by the pirate ship. How come I'm in survival mode?
Ooh, chain pants, another bow, and another potato. My inventory is almost full of armor.
You might want to dump it in the last chest that you would expect it to be in.
I like around this tree. There's like a whole bunch of chests we missed.
Hold on, I'm gonna look at all the players. One's by the pirate ship. I think he's trying. One's inside of the mine. Oh, they have an alliance together. There's 2 people here on the top of the walls.
Is
There's
chain
another.
so chain gold's better than iron?
Huh?
Is gold better than iron?
No, iron's better than gold.
It is.
And there's another person that, oh my god, this guy's like right next to you. Watch out.
Where? Which side? Left or right?
He's on your right. Oh. He's on this side of the tree over here.
Show me your screen.
Wait.
Can I take him?
Probably. Oh, wait. See him?
No. Sorry, I'm not paying too much attention to your screen.
Look it. Look it. He's coming towards you. See him?
No. Oh, yeah, now I do. What? Connection lost! I shot him and then connection lost.
Okay, well, I think that's the end of the video. It kind of sucks.
My god, I was gonna win!
Alright, there's another guy that I just saw. They were closing in on you, my dude.
Yeah, I would have beat them.
Guys, I hope you guys enjoyed the video and have a great day.
That's
and
bull. It's raid. I know it's raid.